Bringing a product idea to life can feel like climbing a mountain, especially when you are trying to get a buy-in from your leadership, engineering, and design teams. But here's the secret weapon that makes all the difference: prototyping. It's how you sell your vision and show your stakeholders exactly what you're aiming for, even before the first line of code is written. Why are prototypes so powerful? Because they let you show, not just tell. A well-made prototype brings your vision to life in a way that PowerPoints and endless emails never can. Here's what a prototype can do for you. Align stakeholders. It ensures everyone, leaders, engineers, designers, understands the same vision. De-risk development. Spot design or usability issue early before they become expensive problems. Excite and inspire. A tangible prototype can generate enthusiasm and buy-in faster than any document. Let's start with the basics. Wireframes. Wireframes are simple, low-fidelity sketches of your product. They focus on layout and functionality rather than aesthetics. You can use tools like Figma, Sketch, or even pen and paper. Here's how to create an effective wireframe. Focus on core features. Don't try to design everything at once. Stick to essential elements. Make it interactive. Use tools like Figma or InVision to add clickable elements. This makes your wireframe feel like a real product. Seek early feedback. Share your wireframe with your team and gather input before moving to high-fidelity prototype. Once you have a wireframe, it's time to build a prototype. Prototypes are more polished, often interactive, and give stakeholders a real sense of the user experience. Here's the process. Step 1. Use tools like Figma, Adobe XD to refine your wireframe. Add visuals, branding, and interactivity. Step 3. Test the prototype with users. Observe how they navigate it. This feedback is gold for improvement. Step 3. Present it to stakeholders. Highlight how it solves user problems and align with company goals. Be clear about next steps, like transitioning to development. Now that you've sold your vision with your prototype, it's time to build MVP, a minimal viable product. The MVP is the simplest version of your product that delivers core value to users. Here's why it's so effective. Speed to market. You launch quickly to start learning. Customer feedback. Real users provide insight. You can't get it in a vacuum. Iterative improvement. An MVP is designed to grow and evolve based on what you learn. Think of the MVP like this. It's not the first car, it's the skateboard. It solves a basic need, transportation, while paving the way for improvements. Here's an example. Dropbox. Before they built the actual product, the founders created a simple explainer video showing how Dropbox would work. The video generated massive interest and validated their idea before they wrote any code. That's the power of starting small and testing your vision. Once your MVP is live, the work does not stop. This is where the feedback loop comes in. Use analytics, customer interviews, and surveys to understand what's working and what's not. Prioritize improvements and new features based on real-world uses. Remember, prototyping and MVP aren't just tools, they are mindset. It's about learning fast, iterating often, staying laser-focused on delivering value. To recap, use wireframes and prototypes to sell your vision and get a stakeholder buy-in. Then launch an MVP to validate your ideas and build a foundation for growth. This approach saves time, reduces risk, keeps your team aligned. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. And tell me in the comments what's your go-to tool for prototyping. Let's exchange tips. Until next time, keep building smarter and faster.